Hey there, let's talk about Toll Brothers at Cadence. I was just notified that they have released their floor plans. They're going to have the Mosaic Collection and they're going to have the Montage Collection. So let's go look at the Mosaic Collection first. You'll see that it starts from the upper 380s. Now I'm going to click on that. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to see that they have got 6 floor plans, including the Bowie floor plan, the Bradford floor plan, the Corinth, and then they have some 2-story ones, the Trenton, the Rumford, and the Sanford. So I'm going to speculate. This home right here is 1,944 square feet. I'm going to speculate that the base price on that single-story home right there is probably going to be around $380,000. I don't know anything about the standard features or anything yet, but I know that there will be definitely upgrades available, including different looks to the home. So let's click on it. And let's notice the 3 or 4 different facades they have. So there's sort of the Southwestern traditional, but look at, they've got a farmhouse. They've got the modern, they've got the prairie, and they've got, they call it the ranch, which I call that pretty much Southwestern. This one's pretty much Southwestern. That is definitely modern contemporary. And this is the farmhouse. And I know that people are going to go for the farmhouse. You can also look at the floor plan and see that covered patio, entry, just a split floor plan, 2 bedrooms up here on the left, master bedroom in the back, big living, dining area, open to the kitchen. Very similar to floor plans that are offered by Lennar. Okay, let's click the back button and just flip through a couple more of the floor plans and the facades, the frontage, the look. So let me click back one more time. Hello. So here we are, the Bradford, still 1,960 square feet. Definitely going to be a different floor plan. 2,000 square foot single level. They're putting 4 bedrooms and 3 baths in here. So this might be a really good one to look at. Definitely like the floor plan. I love the stonework. I love the edges. And it looks like they're going to have a farmhouse available. The modern, contemporary available, the prairie, and that's it on this one. So they're going to have 3 different looks to that one. Oh, you know what? Let me go back because we want to look at the floor plan real quick because it is a 4-bedroom. Very similar, covered entry, 2 bedrooms right here. Living room, great room right there. Very similar, but what they're doing is they're packing a 4th bedroom over here on the right-hand side. So the house is larger, and they can get the 4 bedrooms in there with the 3 baths. Let's look one more time. Let's go look at a 2-story one of these. Let's pick one of them to look at real quick. The Trenton, and super contemporary. The Rumford and the Sanford. Let's look at the Sanford. I'm noticing that the Rumford and the Sanford are actually the same square footage, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 3.5 baths actually. And there's probably definitely some similarities in them. Let's look at the Sanford. Contemporary farmhouse. The Craftsman. And the traditional farmhouse. Floor plan, first floor, walk-in, study, garage, stairs going up, big living room, great room, dining area. First floor, master, primary bedroom suite, first floor, master bedroom, then upstairs, 1, 2, 3, 4 more bedrooms and a loft. So they're putting 5 bedrooms, a loft. This is a fantastic floor plan that will be in demand. This one, I mean, I'm going to speculate could be base price could be 480s. And that home right there could definitely push 500,000 quite easily. And now let's look at the Montage Collection. And I'm liking the looks of these. I mean, that right there is a really impressive, what I believe is a single-story home. We're going to look at that one. I love the high vaulted ceilings. It's 2,600 square foot, and if that's single level, it's really cool. Let's look at something real quick. Are these all 2-car garages? Now, there we go. We've got the 3-car garages on the larger 2 stories. So let's click on this one just to see what it is. It's called the Berwyn. I think I like the exterior a lot. Minimalist, for sure. So they call that the contemporary farmhouse, the traditional farmhouse, the modern, and then the Southwest, more traditional looking. They call that the Spanish, right? First floor, it is a 1-story. You walk in. This is really interesting. You walk in, you've got 2 bedrooms right there. I think I'm liking that. And you know what? It said 2-car garage, but I see a 3-car tandem right there. Study here. A bedroom right there. Interesting location for a bedroom. But it can work, especially when it has its own private bath. Big, great room, dining room, master suite over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, a study, and a 3-car tandem garage. I like it. It's the Berwyn. These are starting in the 400s. Let's go look and see if it says upper 400s or 400s. Mid 400s. So that's like smallest one. Another 2687 square foot, 3126. This is going to be a great seller right there. So let's say this was mid 400s. So let's say this is 450 base. You're going to spend $500,000 for that house. A lot of people will. Same with this one here. Then you start going up in square footage. And I wouldn't be surprised if this base is around 510, 520. And we're going to go up from there. This could even base a little bit higher than that. This based around 500. This one right here could base up in the 550 to 600 range. These homes, when finished, will probably all have a 6 in front of them. And I've already walked through this one. I shared it shared it last week. This is being modeled over there. So I did walk through this home, and I'm going to tell you there's a lot of interesting spaces and features in there. So just want to remind you all, I am David Dion. I am a realtor, a full-time realtor. That's all I do, all day, every day. I also live in Cadence. I have my primary home in here, and we just bought a second home in here. Think I'm a great option for you to consider if you're thinking about selling, if you're thinking about upgrading, if you want to get out of the smaller home that you're in and into a bigger Lennar. If you're renting in here and you want to get into a Lennar or a Toll Brothers, or you want to get in, or you have a different Lennar, or even, don't forget, Pulte's, David Weekley's, and even the Newport homes up front. I want to make any move for you easy. I've got great strategies to not only get you top dollar, but to eliminate some of the hassles of moving. Plus, because I live in here and I want to help you all, I have some pretty good incentives. I can be flexible on those, but I want to make an offer for you all that works, that something you're excited about, something you're happy with, and you're good to go. So that's it. Dave Dion, 480-332-5942, cadence@gateway.info. check out the website. Also come down here. You can click on this, visit our Cadence at Gateway Real Estate Information Group. That's where I'm going to be posting this video amongst other places. But that's it. Take care. Have a great day.